Hey hi, myself Aishi. Today I'll be teaching you letter doodling. For this, you will need a plain A4 paper, pencil and eraser. Today I am using Artline pen of different points. You can use any pen that would be available at your home and which has a free flowing ink. I've just took a sketchbook below for support. For letter doodling, first we need to write a letter in the center part of our page, that is over here. Today I am writing letter A. You can write your initial or any letter that you like. We'll draw our letter with pencil first. There are two types of letter doodling. Doodling inside the letter and doodling outside the letter. Today we'll doodle outside the letter over here. So for this, we'll keep our pencil sketch as it is and we won't trace a border with a pen. Today I have took the concept flower and leaves doodle. So let's start doodling. You can draw any type of flowers or leaves or branches. I have just took the basic shapes of flowers and leaves, so that's easy for everyone to create. You can also take some other concept too. For this, remember, you fill all the flower petals and leaves and in between gaps with the basic line strokes or solid colors or dots or small circles or small flowers or anything. Today, as we are doing black and white doodle, also take care that the proportion of the black and white is balanced. Also, you need to remember one thing is that because we are not drawing a border around the letter, we should draw the doodle near to the pencil letter so that our letter is beautified by our doodle itself. Even you don't have to worry about perfection. Like it's not compulsory that the flower petals and the leaves are of same size. It can be of any shape, any size, maybe bigger, smaller, doesn't matter. You can use different types of fonts or different styles and different language too. Today we are doing letter doodle. You can even doodle with a word like maybe family, love, home or anything. For this, all you need is patience, practice and perseverance. Just be patient and keep drawing. And yeah, our A is ready. Now we'll erase all the pencil borders that we drew. And yes, our final product is here. These are some of the patterns for letter doodling for your reference. You can try these too. So you can frame this and gift it to your loved ones or stick it on your diary cover. Thank you guys for watching. Do let us know about this video in comments below and also tag your friends. Keep creating, keep doodling, keep sharing. Thank you.